Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing Bitcoin, crypto, and many other crypto coins. So Bitcoin has finally broken that $30,000 resistance and looks like it's heading for now 32,000, but how high it could go. And also, are we going to see a move to the upside right now, or we're going to see a correction for this week and the next one? Let's find out. Now, as you can see from here, I'm here on the Bitcoin weekly chart. And as you can see, we closed on this candle over here quite strongly. It looks like we have formed a higher high for Bitcoin for the weekly candle. So it looks like, the trend is extremely bullish compared to a few weeks ago where the price was only $24,000. As you can remember, I was telling you guys that at $25,000 to $25,000 we would have seen a nice reverse to the upside. And of course on the weekly we formed a hammer, which then was validated to be actually a nice reversal pattern. We did the hammer, we reversed, and now we're at $30,300. But what can we be expecting from now? So this is what I drew recently. So as you can see from here, in my opinion, looks like Bitcoin is into like an ascending channel, and it looks like we have started to have a shift from that bear market in 2022 to now, of course, reverse course, and now entering into the first phase of a new bull market. So if I had to guess from my technical analysis, right, what we could see from here could be a nice bounce, a continuation up to this upper side of the channel, which is roughly $36,000. And also it matches with our Fibonacci retracement and also our level of resistance. So if I'm about here to draw a Fibonacci retracement, and I'm going to start from the top to the bottom from here, you're going to see that is exactly matching with the Fibonacci with my level of resistance at around $36,000. So the next level which I'm expecting Bitcoin to reach in the next maybe couple of weeks would be the Fibonacci at $36,000. But the question is, what could be happening short term? Well, short term, as you can see, we had a little bit of a sell-off recently because, of course, we pumped like crazy. And at the moment, we are forming, as you can see, a higher high from here. Like we're in a sort of an ascending channel even here, more of a, we could say like, that we're forming here, this is a level of support over here, and also we have another level of resistance at this level. So it looks like we're forming an ascending channel, but look what's happening right now with the RSI. So the RSI is pointing downwards, which means that Bitcoin is forming a divergence, a bearish divergence. And whenever you see this kind of divergence plays out, usually the downside is more likely than the upside. So it is my expectation what we could see could be maybe another pump to the upside like this, maybe try to reach the $32,000, and then maybe a break to the downside to pretty much correct and also go back to, I guess, this level of support over here. So at around $28,000, $29,000. But again, at the moment, I will be quite cautious to open a long position, only because, as you can see, although the trend is still a little bit higher, we could potentially form a shift in the trend, and then we could see maybe like a downtrend and to continue to go down to reach this level of support here and then this level of support as well. So for me, in order to open again another long position on Bitcoin, I would like to wait, of course, for the RSI to be maybe at this level here oversold, or even if it's going to go from here to here, maybe to have a bounce at this level here at around 40 for the RSI. So see how Bitcoin is going to behave when it reaches this level of support, which is also the 50 EMA at $29,000. And then from there, if I see a nice strong bounce to the upside, then I will consider a long position from here. But at the moment, I will be very, very careful because looks like the trend is more down this way. Now, the next one I want to talk about is XRP. XRP, as we know, looks extremely bullish and is resembling so much 2020 to 2021. So as you can see from here, in 2020-21, we had this break of XRP to go to roughly $76,000. Then the price collapsed because of the lawsuit. It tried to climb back up again. It got rejected again, and then finally it broke to the upside. So at the moment, looks like in a short-term target, right? That it looks like the same. We try to went up here to 58 cents, got rejected, try to go up again, got rejected, and now if it's the third time, it's going to be the good time. Then we're going to see a big break to the upside. So if I had to give a target with XRP, then I can draw like here a line of resistance, and then what I can do, I can calculate, from the bottom to the top, and then put it this way, put it over here, and then it's going to give me a target of at least 85 to 86 cents. So XRP target for me, as a first target, could be around this level over here. So if you calculate from 47 to 86, is almost 80-85%, which is fantastic. The next one I want to talk about, guys, is Polkadot. Polkadot is also showing lots of strength at the moment. So as you can see from here, Polkadot has been destroyed, obliterated, completely killed, because I mean, look at we were $55, that was the all-time high, and at the moment is trading at $5.01. But what is quite remarkable about Polkadot at the moment, we had to take into consideration, is that on the weekly chart, and also is going to show on the daily chart, is that we are forming now a potential double bottom. As you can see from here, we have one bottom here, and the RSI is pointing upwards, which means is signifying a bullish reversal, so bullish divergence, which means that if we're going to be able to form now here a double bottom in with Polkadot, and again we're going to calculate the target how high it could bring us to, then what I can do, I can just go here, calculate from the bottom of the double bottom to the neckline, and then make it over here, and it's going to give us a target of roughly this area here at $11. So from 5.1 to $11, it is almost 100%. So that's what I think the next target for Polkadot is going to be. But again, looking at the Fibonacci retracement, we could see that we could go even way higher, even reaching $16, $23, or $29 in the next upcoming months. The next one I want to show you guys, which is very important, is the markets, is the total free. So total free, it indicates the market cap of all the altcoins in comparison to excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. I don't know what you think about this chart over here, but to me looks extremely bullish. The reason being is because, of course, RSI is showing a bullish divergence. So from here to here, so we can see the price of the altcoins getting obliterated, and here is forming like a lower high. But at the moment, again, looks like we are into this descending triangle, and once this altcoin market cap is going to break over here, and then it's going to be able to also surpass this EMA, we're going to see a big spike to the upside, and it's going to bring us a target of let's say from here. If I then make a calculation from here to here, bring it this way, it can bring us the target back to $825 billion compared to 335 that it is right now. So again, very bullish on altcoins, but at the moment, of course, Bitcoin is leading the way, because that's usually what happens in a bull market, but expecting the next maybe 5 to 6 months to see a big spike to the upside for the altcoins, especially if we're going to be able to break this level over here. So in summary, guys, Bitcoin is going, I think, very well. It has pumped now to 30,000, is being stabilized over there. But of course, although I can expect maybe like one last spike to maybe 32,000, then I'm expecting in the next couple of weeks a pullback to $27,000, $28,000 to then recoil and then go back up to have a target in the next month of $35,000 to $36,000. And also with the altcoins, I'm expecting that in the next 5 to 6 months, we need to wait for Bitcoin to go and breach all-time high. But after that, altcoins are going to explode, because as you can see, we have formed a descending triangle, and that could go crazy to the upside. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, leave a comment down below, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more news about crypto and trading. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.